How to fix the mouse cursor disappears when playing games in your full screen mode. Hey guys, and welcome back. If you are facing this problem while playing games, here are some quick fixes that you can try on. So first of all, without any delay, go to the settings option to open the mouse settings. For this, you can just type in on the search bar settings and click on OK or enter key. Once you open settings, tap on the search bar for mouse settings, and once open, go to additional mouse settings. After that, click on the tab called as pointer options, and in this visibility option, if display pointer trails is ticked, make sure to uncheck it, click on apply and then on OK. Next up, go to system and then go to display. Now from the display resolution, make sure that the chosen option is recommended as well. After this, you can move up to the next option. For this, go back to the main page and to the game that is having the trouble. Right click on it and then go to the properties. Once you go on properties, you will see the option of compatibility. Click on that tab and click on run this program in compatibility mode. Choose the best compatibility mode which suits you and you should be able to fix the issue. That is up for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.